Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I just wanted to let you know it's a beautiful car, but these amber markers are just taking away all the pizzazz. So I'll tell you how to replace them with the clear ones. It's very simple. You may require a pry tool. I use it. I just put it in right here and just pull it out. You'll hear a pop like this. There you go. It's out. As simple as that. So this clip is holding it. Yeah, of course you need gloves, but it's okay. I have a rag over here. I can clean my hands. As soon as this is out, there's a little clip over here. So you depress that clip. It's right here underneath. So you depress that clip and pull that cable out. All right, so the connector is out. It was clipped over here. You can put these aside. You get the new one. The new one does have like a relay harness or resistor right here. So you have to channel this in where the clip goes right here, because that has enough space in there to have that resistor in there. So I'll show it to you. So let's first connect this. All right, so the resistor is in. Now just push it in. Make sure that clip right there, the hook, goes in first. Dive in first and then put the retaining clip in. You have to push it in. So I'll show it to you now. All right, so here's your finished product. It's nice and flushed in. Just going to wipe clean a little bit, and then I'm going to find my keys. I'll try to show you. That's unlock. That's the lock. Right, nice and clean. It matches. And after it goes, yep, there you go. So it kind of blends in rather than having the amber ones. I mean, yes, I'll keep these. These are OEMs. But yeah, aesthetics.